you longing for someone special this Christmas? There's just something special about snow, warm sweaters, hot cocoa, and crackling fireplaces that makes us want to curl up with the people we love. This winter, Light Elegance releases the Wish You Were Here collection, inspired by those longing and romantic feelings that hits us right in the heart when Christmas comes around. Whether a lover, friend, or family member, Wish You Were Here is all about being apart from the one you love. But sometimes it can also be a positive thing, as it can deepen relationships and really make you understand how much that person means to you. And don't forget about that sweet, sweet moment when you and your love is finally reunited under the falling snow with a spinning hug as the Christmas bells ring in the background. As always, Light Elegance is presenting you with 6 new colors and 6 new glitters, available both as hard gels and in gel polishes. Let's start off this season with a little bit of heartbreak. A bright, creamy cherry red that doesn't pull any brown or blue. A perfect December red that will go perfectly with all those Christmas sweaters. This color is definitely worth waiting for. As you probably know by now, I'm a sucker for greens, and this emerald army green with a hint of blue is everything I need for this winter. A super trendy shade that is actually very easy to wear. If you don't have someone to cuddle up with, make sure to at least put on some warm clothes. Flannel for One is your creamy neutral dusty carnation. A soft mix of brown and pink that can be a soft addition to your designs or shine on its own. If you want to impress your love, don't underestimate the power of handwriting. Pen Pals is your sophisticated creamy brown taupe, another on-trend color with its luscious dark brown shades with a slight touch of purple. Make sure to combine it with the glitter anxiously awaiting. Lipstick and letters. If you can't blow kisses to your love, why not send them with snail mail? Here is your creamy pink cranberry, a perfect blend between pink and red that will definitely bring out your romantic side. Having someone to miss can be a bit bittersweet. Missing You Madly, on the other hand, is all about that warm, rich, and dramatic mode. Winter is never complete without a deep, creamy plum wine. Not too red or too black, but with that perfect touch of plum purple. A Christmas without sparkle is like a zebra without black stripes. White and boring. So grab your winter shades and let's dive into the glitters you have been waiting for. These are, of course, also available as hard gels and gel polishes. Wait to cuddle up in the sofa with this lavender sparkle on my nails. A sweet and innocent iridescent lavender fine glitter. This pot is peppered with small pieces of sparkling winter joy. How would we survive the winter months without a red glitter? Easy answer, we wouldn't. Long distance love is definitely worth fighting for, but fortunately for you, you won't have to enjoy it from afar. The red glitter of 2822 is a fine blend of red and gold with flashes of pink. If you're going for a more subtle but elegant style this winter, make sure to try out the combo Flannel for One and Sincerely Yours. A light neutral glitter with really fine iridescent sparkles. A soft look with a fun twist. Just a few more sleeps before the entire world burst out into Christmas spirit. But if you're more into that Elsa vibe rather than the Grinch, this is the ultimate Let It Go glitter. A fine aqua blend with a mix of blues and greens. If the feeling anxiously awaiting would be a color, then this is it. A fine rose glitter with flashes of pink and fuchsia. A dark, elegant glitter with a lot of sparkle to represent those deep romantic feelings perfectly. Leave the light on or just leave this glitter out on the porch. Either way, it will guide you home. A soft light gray glitter with that eye-catching twinkle diamond shine. If you want to bring that sparkling snow feeling with you inside, look no further. And there is your Wish You Were Here winter collection for 2022. Romance, flannels, complex feelings, and Elsa. If you want to get your hands on this collection, which you do, you'll be able to grab them off the shelves on November 1st, when they will be available to all salon customers worldwide. And as always, don't forget that all Light Elegance products are HEMA-free, NINE-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And we do believe that what's inside matters. Wishing you a great winter and lots of romantic movie-inspired hugs in the falling snow. Mwah!